Maths part first, standard 10th, unit number 2, quadratic equation, practice set 2.5, example number 5 to 7. Hi friends, today we are going to learn about chapter number 2, quadratic equation in practice set 2.5 is the remaining part of example 5 to 7. Let's say example. This type of example is a hot question. Hot means higher order thinking. How to solve this example? First read question number 5. Find k if the sum of the roots of the quadratic equation x square minus 4kx plus k plus 3 is equal to 0 is double their product. Solution. Write down first the equation x square minus 4kx plus k plus 3 is equal to 0. That is x square minus 4 kx plus, write down k plus 3 in bracket, k plus 3 is equal to 0. Here value of a, b, c. Here a is equal to 1, b is equal to minus 4k and c is equal to k plus 3. First find the sum of two roots. Sum of two roots alpha plus beta is equal to, the formula is minus b upon a, minus value of b is equal to minus 4k upon value of a is equal to 1, minus minus plus 4k upon 1. This is the equation first. And the multiplication of product of two roots alpha into beta is equal to c upon a. The value of c is equal to k plus 3 upon 1. Therefore k plus 3 is equal to k plus 3. This is the second equation. If alpha and beta are the roots of the equation, if alpha and beta are the roots of equation, alpha plus beta is equal to double the product of two roots. It is the given. Put the value in this equation. Alpha plus beta is equal to 4k plus 2 into alpha into beta k plus 3. Therefore 4k multiply by bracket by 2, 2k plus 2 3s are 6. Therefore 4k minus 2k is equal to 6. 4k minus 2k is equal to 2k बरोबर 6. k is equal to 6 upon 2. Therefore k is equal to 2 3s are 6. The value of k is 3. The value of answer, the value of k is 3. In this type, solve above example. See the next example. Question number 6. If alpha and beta are the roots of the quadratic equation y square minus 2y minus 7 is equal to 0, then find the value of 1 alpha square plus beta square and second alpha cube plus beta cube. This question is star indicated. It means this type of question is a hot question, higher order thinking question. Solution: first, write the equation y square minus 2y minus 7 is equal to 0. Comparing with ay square plus by plus c is equal to 0. Here a is equal to 1, b is equal to minus 2 and c is equal to minus 7. Find the value of the sum of two roots alpha plus beta is equal to minus b upon a. Value of b is a minus 2 and value of a is equal to 1. Minus minus plus 2. This is the first equation. Second, the product of two roots is equal to formula c upon a. Value of c is equal to minus 7 upon value of a is equal to 1 is equal to minus 7. This is the equation 2. Find the value of alpha square and beta square. We know that the formula of alpha square plus beta square is equal to, in bracket, alpha plus beta bracket square minus 2 into alpha beta. Put the value in this formula. Alpha plus beta is equal to 2 square minus 2 into value of alpha beta minus 7 is equal to square of 2 is equal to 4 minus minus plus 7 to the 14 is equal to 14 plus 4 18. The alpha square plus beta square value is 18. Next, second, find the value alpha cube plus beta cube. We know that the formula of alpha cube plus beta cube, in first bracket alpha plus beta cube minus 3 alpha beta into bracket alpha plus beta. Put the value of alpha plus beta and alpha into beta. Alpha plus beta is a 2 cube minus 3 into alpha into beta minus 7 and plus alpha beta is a value 2. The cube of 2 is equal to 8 minus minus plus 7 3 is 21, 22 is 42, therefore 42 plus 8 50. The value of alpha cube plus beta cube is equal to 50, therefore alpha square plus beta square is equal to 18 and alpha cube plus beta cube is equal to 50. In this type, solve above example. Question number 7. Find the value of k if the root of the following quadratic equation are real and equal. Solution: first, write down this equation. 3y square plus ky plus 12 is equal to 0. Here a is equal to 3, B is equal to K and C is equal to tail. Discriminant delta is equal to B square minus 4AC. Put the value in this formula. Value of B is equal to K square minus 4 into 3 into CG. Value of C is tail. K square minus 4 3 is a tail is a 144. The value of delta is equal to K square minus 144. This is the equation first. But the roots are real and equal. The roots are real and equal. Therefore, the value of delta is equal to 0. This is the equation 2 is given in this. Delta is equal to 0 is given. The roots are real and equal. From equation 1 and 2, K square minus 144 is equal to 0. K square minus 144 is the square of tail is equal to 0. Here the first term of square and second term of square, the subtraction of two term square, write down in this form. First term K plus tail is equal in second bracket K minus tail is equal to 0. Therefore, K plus tail is equal to 0 or K minus tail is equal to 0. The value of K is equal to plus tail minus tail, right goes to, and K is equal to minus tail plus tail. The value of K is, therefore, the value of K is tail or minus tail. In this type, solve first example. Next, see the second example number 2. Kx in bracket x minus 2 bracket complete plus 6 is equal to 0. Solution: k x to x minus 2 plus 6 is equal to 0. This equation write in the standard form. Multiply by k into bracket k x into x kx वर्ग minus kx into 2 2kx plus 6 is equal to 0. Here a is equal to k, b is equal to minus 2k and c is equal to 6. Find the value of discriminant delta is equal to b square minus 4ac. Put the value in this equation. Value of b minus 2k square minus 4 into value of a is equal to k and value of c is equal to 6. Therefore, minus 2k square is equal to 4k square minus 4 6 24k. This is the value of delta. This is the first equation. The roots are real and equal. Therefore, delta is equal to 0. This is the second equation is given. Write down from equation 1 and 2, 4k square minus 24k is equal to 0. Find the common factor. 4k is a common factor. 4k square 4k in a common, in bracket k minus 6 is equal to 0. Therefore 4k is equal to 0 or k minus 6 is equal to 0. The value of k is equal to 0 upon 4 is 0 or k is equal to minus 6. It goes to right hand side, plus the value of k is equal to 0 and value of k is equal to 6. The k is equal to 0 is unaccepted, unacceptable, because if k is equal to 0, the equation becomes meaningless. Therefore k is equal to 6 and the value of k, answer, the value of k is 6. In this type solve above example.